everyone. Back again with another Whimsy page in my Whimsy notebook journal. And I didn't do much more than I did on the first one, but there's plenty of time to progress. So I love the combination of these two colours as a background. That was cobalt, turquoise light and sand, and just applied with a plastic card. So now I'm just drawing the elements on the page with a lead pencil. And I think I have a theme going on here in that I think I'm going to be drawing whimsical houses in this. Well, maybe in just the first signature. I've currently only got 2 signatures in there, but I think I could put more in there. And I'm going through the markers, the POSCA paint pens and the Pitt Artist pens and the Sharpie pens, so I think I'm going to have to go and buy some more. You'd think it was a masterpiece, all that erasing. Trying to draw the bird, and it gets covered up with the gesso anyway. And I have to redraw it. Decided that I should put some gesso underneath the colour. So just using some Liquitex professional gesso and coating all the elements on the page with that. And I have the video sped up quite a bit, only because there's not a lot of rocket science here. Just pretty much colouring in with paint. No real techniques. So just drawing the scene. I left a bit of white space up the top. Don't know whether I was going to add some clouds or what. In the end I don't. So just painting the roof of the birdhouse with some burgundy. End up doing a couple of coats for that, and I think 3 coats for the house. So I based the house component of it with a coat of cadmium yellow medium hue. And the centre of the flowers there. Now I'm going over with some iridescent orange yellow in the Pebeo Dyna range. Yep. Didn't want to just do a brown trunk. It's not a trunk. Well, it is, but it isn't. So I decided to do some iridescent precious gold. So going back over that house with that orange, yellow, or yellow, orange, yellow, can't remember. Just needed to be more solid. And going back over the roof with the burgundy. Just brings back memories from my quilting days. Just the different shapes and the simplicity of the shapes, I think. I think I mixed some white paint with that cerulean blue. I'm quite sure. Because I only used one shade of the blue. But it looks like two there, so I'm pretty sure I must have added white to it. And just drawing that front door again. And adding some gesso there to give the colour a base coat. Going back over the flowers again, getting them brightened up. So leave those white. There was enough colour, I think. So that's what I find. I think in my last journal page, not the Whimsy one with the sprays, I think there was too much colour on it. And they conflicted. And there's that buzzing noise again. Yeah, I've done that stem a bit too thick. But I'll fix that up later on when I go over it with a black marker. So that's bright aqua green and light green permanent for the leaves. And then I end up darkening the stem, I think, with some oxide chromium green. I think. Yeah. Another coat over the front door. If I remember rightly, I think I used a lot of burgundy in my quilts. Just love the look of it. Adding some yellow to the beak. I think, yep. Just stippling on some more yellow and orange. I think, I'm not quite sure, a bit of burgundy. No, I didn't use the burgundy. Just giving those petals a bit of lightly brushed bright aqua green. Now going all around the elements with a black Fude ball pen, and that's when you see it all pop. And now the little details. Some dots and dashes with some white and some black markers. Just gives it that little bit of interest. And the paint probably wasn't dry enough. Yep. Big Ann got in the road. I was wiping off that marker because it hadn't dried and redoing it. It's all those little details that really finish off a layout or a page, I think. Now what to do? I'm filling that top space up now. None of the white pens worked, but I had enough of an indentation there so I could follow the line to apply some white gesso, and I think I give that 3 coats. Just a bit of a border, top and bottom. And why not add some hearts? And colouring them in with a white POSCA pen. I end up going over that with some gesso anyway, a lot smoother than the pen. Just thought that space up around the birdhouse needed filling with something. And then down the bottom. Going around those hearts again. So I messed up the outline of it with the gesso. No biggie. You know, that almost looks like a window, looking out a window. At that birdhouse. Taking my stylus tools and just adding some flowers down the bottom there. 5 o'clock. All products used will be listed in my blog post, which is linked in the description below this video. And also the photos that I add at the end of the videos are also still photos on my blog post. Yep, that was too slow and cumbersome using the fine point pen, so I just got the brush pen. And that did it. And there's another one done. Oh, after I outline those white circles. So thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I'll be back with another page soon. Bye.